Hey, welcome to another episode of Your Car Mods. I'm Jeff, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 fuses that you need to check if your car no longer starts after you've installed either aftermarket taillights or change any of the taillight bulbs on your 9th gen Honda Accord. Now, this procedure will be the same for all 2013 through 2017 Honda Accord for both coupe and sedan. Now, I received a few emails and DM on my social media accounts, and I've also seen a few posts on the 9th gen Accord Facebook group that when people are changing their taillight to an aftermarket taillight for the sedan, for the BMW style or the Lexus style, that their car no longer starts or some of the lights doesn't work. Now, the common issue is because when you're installing LED bulb or aftermarket taillights, you want to make sure your car is off, and if possible, you want to also remove the stock wire harness plugs away from the socket before you go ahead and put a new bulb in there. And when you're connecting this back into either the aftermarket taillight, you have to make sure you have the polarities correct, connected. So you see there's red and black wire. The black wire side, this side is going to be ground and the other side is going to be for power. And so on the LED wire for the aftermarket tails, you just have to make sure the black wire lines up with the black wire. The other power wire on the stock harness is red, but on the aftermarket taillight, it might not be red. However, you just have to make sure black lines up with black. Now, if you were to accidentally flip that, what's going to happen is it's going to pop the fuse. And so the 3 fuses that you need to check is, one is going to be the reverse light fuse right here. So usually this will pop, and also the brake light fuse will pop. And so those are the 2 fuses that you need to check. And those 2 fuses are located in the fuse box that's under the hood. And so it's right here. So you go ahead and press this, and there's another tab back here to release this. And so there's going to be some spare fuses here, and here's your fuse puller. And it is going to be this 21 slot 10A backup fuse. And also this 6th one, which is the 10A stoplight fuse. So those are the 2 fuses that you need to check that's under the hood. So looking at the fuse panel, it's going to be the 10A fuse that's located right here, the 2nd one. That's going to be the reverse, and the 10 amp fuse right here, right below the 15A. That one is going to be for the stoplight. So those are the fuses that you need to check. And you simply take the fuse puller and you just line it up into the opening like this, grab it and pull it out. Okay. Now there is a 3rd fuse that you need to check. It's located inside the vehicle in the driver's side by the kick panel. And here is the fuse diagram. So it is this fuse number 5, 7.5A, the meter fuse. And so if you're looking it up here, it is this one right here, the 7.5. And so check that to see if it's blown. And finally, if you start your vehicle and you see that there's a bunch of dash light that's lit up, such as the ABS, the brake light, the sensor light, and all sorts of stuff, it's because the battery is low on voltage. And this right here is what is causing your light to turn on your dash. This is the battery sensor, and what this does is whenever it detects low voltage from the battery, it will trigger all those lights. So to get rid of the lights, all you have to do is drive around your neighborhood for a couple blocks or a few miles, and once the battery gets charged from the alternator, then the lights will all turn off. All right, so those are the 3 fuses that you need to check if your car no longer starts after you've installed aftermarket taillights or replaced LED bulbs on your taillight assembly. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.